Welcome to the incredible world of how it's done. Let's delve into finding out. A long time ago, in a faraway green mountainous land, there lived a little coffee bean named Little Bean. Little Bean dreamed of becoming the most delicious cup of coffee in the world. One day, Little Bean decided it was time to go on a journey to fulfill his dream. So he set off on the coffee plantation path. His first encounter was with Mr. Seedling, a wise old tree who took care of the baby seeds in his nursery. Mr. Seedling taught Little Bean the importance of being patient and growing strong before being transplanted. With his help, Little Bean and his friends, the other little beans, learned about the germination process. As they grew, it was time to meet Mrs. Earth, a robust lady who explained how, with her help and the nutrients, the sprouts could grow tall and healthy in the shade of the other trees. After growing, Little Bean met Miss Water, a bubbly water source that provided him and his friends with the necessary hydration every day. Miss Water invited Little Bean to be part of the water cycle, showing him the clouds that watered the fields with water from the sky. One day, the sun said, "It's time for you to become a young bush, Little Bean." And with Mr. Sun's bright light, Little Bean and his group flourished with beautiful green leaves. The seasons passed, and the time came to bear fruit. Little Bean was delighted to see small cherries growing on his bush. That's when they met Juicy, a ripe cherry who told them how they would be handpicked by humans at just the right moment. Mrs. Careful, who was in charge of harvesting, explained the skill of picking only the ripest cherries to ensure the best coffee. After being carefully picked, Little Bean went to meet Inner, a machine that helped him gently shed his pulp. Inner was very meticulous, making sure the beans were ready for the next step, drying in the sun. During the drying phase, Little Bean had long chats with Sunny, who explained the importance of drying evenly to prevent any mold from affecting its flavor. Once dry, Little Bean went to meet Polished, who, with his cloak of wind and swirls, polished him until he was shiny. Finally, Little Bean went to the warehouse of flavor, the roaster. With his controlled fire and expert nose, Flavor transformed Little Bean into a roasted coffee bean, ready to be ground. Every step of Little Bean's journey culminated when he reached the coffee maker of Mr. Coffee Maker, the barista, who knew all the secrets of preparing a perfect cup of coffee. With great precision and care, Mr. Coffee Maker created an exquisite drink with Little Bean's beans, finally achieving his dream. By completing his journey, Little Bean had not only learned about the coffee growing process, but also about the love and dedication that people and natural elements put into creating that tasty drink we all enjoy. From then on, every time someone savored a cup of coffee, they knew that pleasure was possible thanks to the brave adventure of Little Bean and his friends through the coffee fields. The end of Little Bean's journey was just the beginning of many new stories that each cup of coffee has to tell. Did you like this video? If so, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you soon.